stopping by. If you're returning, welcome back. For those of you that may not know, on my channel you can find some trash to treasures, DIYs, look for less, thrift flips, trash flips, home decor, a little bit of cooking, basically anything that has to do with the home and home decor. For today's video, I'm creating a Christmas themed centerpiece to go with our final day of Christmas in July. And I start off with these mason jars. I have 3 of them, which I purchased at the thrift store for about 50 cents each, and they are like vintage mason jars, which is pretty cool. And what I'm going to be doing is wrapping up a little bit more than half of the jar with this burlap, which I bought at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I apologize for the angles of this video. My tripod broke, so I was not able to use it. So I'm just holding the camera in my hands. So again, I apologize. So how I attached these was, originally I thought I would use double-sided tape to attach them, but then I just used some spray adhesive, and then I attached them that way. The reason I didn't use hot glue is sometimes I don't like the way it bumps it up a bit, so I used spray adhesive to keep it down. So this is the one that I used, and that helped the burlap stay. Then what I went ahead and did was, I thought I was going to use some fakes, these little like sparkles that are kind of like fake snow little pieces, so these things, but they were kind of falling off, so I used those. I sprayed the spray adhesive, and then I used those. But what I wound up doing then is just spraying some fake snow at the top as well, so it gave it like a really kind of frosty type of look on there, which is what I was going for. I wanted it to look like, you know, fluffy snow. Now this video is a part of a challenge. It's the Get It Done challenge, and this is hosted by Nicole Northgarden. And she does these challenges ever so often, and for the challenge what we had to do was basically either get a room cleaned, do a project, do a craft, do a DIY that we've been wanting to do for a while and just haven't done it, and just get it done. So that's why I chose this specific project, because this way it will be ready for my Christmas collection. Even though Christmas is far away, it'll be here before you know it. So the challenge is hosted by, as I said, Nicole Northgarden. She's actually hosting the challenge with herself. So she's hosting it on 2 of her channels. So the first one being Nicole Northgarden, and the second one being Nicole Northgarden Home and Garden. Please check out both of these channels. I'm gonna have their links in my description. She's super fun to watch. She's entertaining. She's got lots of neat thrift hauls, DIYs, organization videos, etc. So make sure you watch her and check her out. You won't regret it. Make sure you check out the playlist, because we're going to have a fantastic playlist of really creative, inspiring people. So make sure you check out what they do, what their Get It Done project was, because everyone's will be different. That's why these challenges are so great. So check them out. So while I was waiting for the jars to set, I went ahead and I had 3 of these mini Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree. I had bought a whole bunch last year. And what I did was I flocked them. So I just sprayed them with faux snow for them to look flocked. And I took the bases off of them and put them into the jar. Now here they are just drying with the base, because I found it easier also for them to dry and also for me to spray them with the base, because then they were lifted a little bit. But yeah, so here's what the final look of the jars is right over here. So here it is, finished. I'm thinking I was thinking I was going to add the word, like for each jar, the letter J-O-Y, but I decided to just tie a nice little ribbon around each jar. So I'm going to show this to you in the final product. So here's what the final product would look like on my dining room table. I have these cute little placemats that I also got at the Dollar Tree, and I just placed it in my dining room for you to see what it could look like. Also, the lighting is really nice in there. But I'm really happy with the way they turned out. I think they'll make a great little addition to my home decor. Whether I'll keep them on the dining room, I'm not sure. You'll have to watch my home tour 2020 and you'll be able to see where I've placed them. But I just love how they turned out. If you like how they turned out, make sure you give me that big thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video and you would like to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell twice. Check out these videos that I'm recommending to you at the end, and also I've recommended videos throughout this video, so make sure you check them out. And also be sure to check out the playlist and check out Nicole Northgarden's 2 channels. Hope you have an excellent day. Stay safe. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next time.